when moving, make life easy for yourself and just install the basics. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. Moving into a new premise or new factory is an extremely exciting time for a business, but it can be fraught with stress and risk. It is important that you secure your factory from day one. However, to make life easy for yourself, just install those basics, the things that are necessary no matter what your level of risk. For example, ensure all doors are secured with strong locks and multiple locking points. Make sure that all doors are secured internally with the exception of your final exit door. All ground floor windows or windows within 5 metres reach from the ground should also be secured, and make sure all roof hatches or roof lights are also locked. The building facades should be illuminated, and if there are external doors that can be seen, they should also be illuminated. For those doors that aren't visible, consider using illumination that's activated by PIR. Lastly, it's worth considering an intruder alarm to cover all your downstairs or main entrance points into the building. Once you've done the basics, then once you've completed the move, you can then go back and do a proper security analysis and find exactly what security measures you need that are effective for your business. If you would like to know more about security when moving into a premise or new factory, why not download our security guide?